Hello everybody. I'm back with another tutorial finally for this look right here. Stay tuned guys. If you like this look, don't forget to give it the thumbs up and like and comment and all that good stuff. So starting with my brows first, I actually used to fill in my brows first before I carve them, but now I just go straight in and carve them. I'm using the Plouise base in the shade 5 and I'm taking my MAC 242S brush and I'm just carving them out and putting this base on. This video was actually supposed to be a talk through video, but yeah, I just couldn't be bothered. So right now I'm just taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush and I'm just blending out that base so I don't get a demarcation line. So the first blend I'm using is from the Carnival palette and it's the shade Liqueur, and I'm using a Zoeva 224 and I'm just putting this all in my crease and I'm blowing the colour out also past my eye, if that makes any sense whatsoever. Now I'm taking the shade Chant and I'm using another Zoeva 224 brush, and Chant is from the same Carnival palette, and I'm just blending out that first blend and I'm going back in with the first blend Liqueur because colour loss does occur, and I'm just going back and forth between these two blends. Using the same palette again, I'm taking the shade Shuffle and I'm using a Zoeva 228 and I'm just doing that on top of the second blend and up to my brow bone. Now I'm just lining my waterline with the Maybelline Lasting Drama liquid gel, and I'm just setting that with a black shadow. So I'm applying the Plouise base under my eye as well. The reason why I do this is because I want my shadows to pop as they do on top. That's why I use the base underneath. This is not everyone's preference, but it is mine. So now I'm just using Makeup Addiction Cosmetics Sinful Eyes palette and the colour Night Moves, and I first used the Precision Crease pencil from the same brand and I'm just smudging out that black, and I'm also using that for the inner corner. This brush I'm using is the actual tapered crease brush and I'm just focusing that on the outer corner of my eye. Just going back in with the shade Liqueur underneath that black blend. Okay, so now we're going to cut the crease. I'm using my same trusty Zoeva 144 brush to do this, and I'm using the Plouise base in the shade 2 and I'm just taking my time to cut my crease. I like my crease to be sharp. I don't rush this process at all. Gotta lift up that brow bone, man. Gotta lift it up. So I'm just going back in and I'm just blending that black onto the cut crease that I did, just so there's no harsh lines. So I'm taking that same Precision Crease brush and I'm just kind of like doing like a liner effect, but it doesn't have to be neat because I'm going to blend it out with that same tapered crease brush that I've been using. Now I'm just going back in with the shade Liqueur and then I'm going to use the shade, I forgot the name again, but just the same blends that I did at the beginning. I'm doing them on the crease also to create that ombre effect. So I'm just taking the shade Charmed from the Plouise palette and I'm using the Precision Shader from the Makeup Addiction Cosmetics brush, and I'm just putting that in my crease also. Just applying my lovely lashes. I'm just priming my face with the LA Girl High Definition Soothing Face Primer, and I'm going to go in with my foundations. Now the first foundation I'm using is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Blend foundation. I don't even know if I'm even saying it right, and I like to mix it with my Maybelline foundation in the colour Mocha. So now we're on to highlighting. Now I'm actually using 3 different concealers because I'm being extra like that. The first one is Chestnut from LA Girl. The second is the Conceal and Define from Makeup Revolution, F13.5 and F12.5. So I'm just setting my highlight and I'm using the RCMA setting powder in translucent, but I also like to use the Black Radiance contour palette as well, the powder in that, the sculpt powder, to also set my highlight, just extra like that. And from that same palette, I'm using the contour as well, from the Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm just contouring my face. So I love this highlight. It's from the Carnival palette and it's in the shade Sinner. It's just so pretty. If you can see my face, I'm there saying, oh, it's so pretty. It is a gorgeous color. I'm just using my Peaches and Cream PC17 brush to apply it. So I'm just filling in my brows, and I'm using the Revolution Pro Brow Pomade in the color Ebony, and I'm using the Makeup Addiction Cosmetics small angle brush to do this. And I'm just blending it with my spoolie, and then I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetics brow mascara gel in clear. Now I'm taking my sleek lip liner in Cherry Oak, and I'm just lining my lips with this, and then I'm going to go in with the Ruby Kisses liquid lipstick in the color Dune, and I'm putting over some Nicka K New York lip gloss or lip gel in clear, and I'm done. I didn't set my face because I wasn't going anywhere. Hope you enjoy this look, guys. Peace out.